My god. It's just a dream. I think it was real. Today will be a good day. Assalamualaikum and what up guys, my name is Haiqal Rahmat. Many people have their own life stories in lockdown and I am one of them. My life story is full of adventure, but right now everything has changed. I start my morning with cycling, archery, or jogging to keep me stay productive and stay kind of entertainment throughout kind of a very dark period. For breakfast, I'll eat whatever food because breakfast provides the energy. Therefore, it can help not being sleepy while in online PDPR. I created a new routine and I'm also able to do activities that I didn't do before. I'm learning in Google Meet or Zoom. During recess, I spend time with my friends. If I get bored, I will play video games to avoid me feeling depressed after study. The reason why I wake up at 4 am because I always try to learn positive things in my life and always motivates myself good grade in SPM around the night, and go forward with what I'm trying to do with my future or achieve something bigger. Time for revision because my mid-year exam is not good enough and I will prove that I can improve my grade in trial SPM test in November this year. Sometime before Maghrib, I will watching the sun slowly dissipate help me to more motivated and calm. As Muslims, let us not forget to pray and read the Al-Quran because it is the key to success in your life. I'm passionate about coding, although I have several hobbies such as hiking, singing, playing guitar, or watching movies. Coding is what resonates well with me. Protect yourself and others and your family also from COVID-19. Stay safe and stay at